So in this video, I'm going to show you what Quizlet looks like through an app. And right now you see my tablet screen. It's an Android tablet. And we do have the Quizlet app installed. So I am going to go to my apps and I'm going to select Quizlet. Now here is a slight problem for you to be aware. So if I try to log into Quizlet, I'm on a device that is not attached to a Google account because our devices are shared, so we don't actually want to we don't want the whole device to be associated with a particular account because different students would be using it. So when I try to log in using my Google, it seems that it wants my device to link to my Google account. And again, that's not something I want to do because these are for students to share within Classroom. So what I'm going to do instead is log into my Quizlet account, which I already have created from before. Alright, so I'm logged in. I already had a Quizlet account that wasn't connected to Google. And I just want to show you what the study cards look like. So this is something that I already previously created on a computer. So this would be used in a classroom when students are reviewing for a test or a quiz, and they're using a Quizlet set that you maybe shared with them. And I can select -2x² - 14x + 7 to study using cards, and I would actually want to turn off the volume. Oh goodness. Okay. So I can go to options in my app and I can say that I want to turn off, and in this particular set I wanted to start with definitions. So if I have my tablet in a portrait view, this is what the card looks like, and the students can simply tap on it to swipe up, I guess, to see the answer. And when you go to settings, you can actually choose to shuffle the cards, so then they're not in order. I am going to change the screen so that I'm going to rotate it in a landscape view. So this is what the cards look like in a landscape view. So a little nicer. Again, I have my options in the upper right corner. I can have the definitions to be read. So if you have students who are visually impaired, this is a great resource for them. And I could shuffle or I can go in the right order. So that's what it looks like. Students can also search for sets. So for example, if they're studying Cold War, they could technically come here and they can find a set and then they can study. So pretty useful, definitely can be used. I'm also going to make another video to show you what it looks like when you log in through a browser instead of the app.